Hey guys, so I've been watching my brother's house for the last week or so, and his dog has been keeping me up for snoring. This is the evidence, and we're gonna get a cute closer look, guys. That's my new parody I'm writing. And there's Key and Peele that I'm watching. And here's the dog that is drowning out all my thoughts. Oh, he's just getting started. Let's go into for a closer look. Listen to him. He's louder than Key and Peele. Mo. Mo, you're snoring. Mo, will you please stop snoring so I can watch my TV, please? Is that a yes? That's a no. Goodbye, guys. Yeah, what if, like, something just, like, came out right there?